Dear students, previously I have taught you three types of simple sentence, and today I shall teach you the last category of simple sentence. That simple sentence are divided into various category. I have told you the last category is exclamatory sentence. Previously I have taught you declarative, interrogative and imperative, and last category sentence is exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence. So here the question arises, what is exclamatory sentence? When any speaker expresses something with the emphatic way, that is called exclamatory sentence. When the speaker expresses something in the emphatic way, that is called exclamatory sentence. And in exclamatory sentence, the speaker expresses his admiration, surprise, agony and also sorrow. The speaker expresses his admiration, agony and sorrow. They are called exclamatory sentence. I shall give you example and now follow, such as you admire a dancer. Someone admires a dancer, and when he admires the dancer, he says, what a good dancer she is. What a good dancer she is. What a good dancer she is. Here the speaker admires the dancer. The speaker admires the dancer. So he says, what a good dancer she is. And in this type of sentence ends with an exclamation mark. Ends with an exclamation mark. Exclamation mark means a line, and below the line there is a dot. That is called exclamation mark. And likewise, how lovely she dances. How lovely she dances. Here the speaker also admires her dancing quality. And generally this sentence begins with what and how. What and how. What a good dancer she is and how lovely she dances. This type of sentence are called exclamatory sentence. Oh God, save me. Oh God, save me. Oh, I am ruined. These are also called exclamatory sentence because they ends with the exclamation mark. But provided in the 10th class, you get the question how to turn the sentence or declared sentence into exclamatory sentence. And here generally children we face the difficulties, and where we should use what and where should we use why. And I shall give the example, you try to follow it. Students follow, such as I shall write a declared sentence here. Ramo is a stupid boy. Ramo is a stupid boy. And sometimes also qualifier can be used. Ramo is a very stupid boy. Ramo is a very stupid boy, because this word qualifies the noun phrase. So this is called qualifier. Ramo is a stupid boy or Ramo is a very stupid boy. In this sentence, when we turn this sentence into exclamatory sentence, follow here, we want to emphasize here stupid boy. A stupid boy. A stupid boy is a noun phrase. A stupid boy is a noun phrase. When we emphasize on the noun phrase, in that case we use what? In that case we use what? So how can we turn this sentence Rama is a very stupid boy or Rama is a stupid boy? Anyone? Any of it? Rama is a very stupid boy. Here we want to emphasize the words a stupid boy. A stupid boy means it is a noun phrase. In the noun phrase and the head noun comes in the last part of it. So here we want to emphasize the noun phrase. So this sentence must be, when we turn this sentence into exclamatory sentence, it will take what in the beginning. So how can we write what a stupid boy? Here remember this thing, the qualifier should not be used in the exclamatory sentence and this word cannot be used in the exclamatory sentence. So how can we turn this sentence into exclamatory? What a stupid boy. What a stupid boy. Rama is. Follow, very easy. What a stupid boy. What a stupid boy. Rama is. What a stupid boy. Rama is. And at last there must be an exclamation mark. There must be an exclamation mark. What a stupid boy Rama is. Here as we emphasize on the noun phrase, so it begins with the what. It begins with the what. Am I clear? Follow. Another example I shall give you. It is a very expensive pen. It is a very expensive pen. Ends with the full stop. And here follow the students on which words we want to emphasize. We want to emphasize the words a very expensive pen. A very expensive pen. In the very expensive pen, it is the noun phrase. Yes or no, children? This is the noun phrase. In the class 9th it has been taught, and here the word pen. The word pen is the head noun and that comes in the end of the noun phrase. You know the head noun comes in the end of the noun phrase. So we here emphasize the word, the noun phrase. As we emphasize on noun phrase, so it must begin with the word what. So how can we turn this one? Follow. I have told you the qualifier should not be used. The qualifier should not be used in the exclamatory sentence. So the word very should be omitted in the exclamatory sentence. This word very. This word should be omitted in the exclamatory sentence. So how can we? What? Here follow expensive pen. Expensive pen. A changes into an because this begins with the vowel. Expensive pen. This is the vowel. So here what an expensive pen it is. Follow. What an. A changes into an. Why? Because here very is omitted and the word expensive comes. So as the expensive word, this is the vowel word. So here article A changes into an. Am I clear? Here article A changes into an. What an expensive pen it is. What an expensive pen it is. Usually it ends with the exclamation mark. What an expensive pen it is. What an expensive pen it is. Am I clear? So I shall give the more example. You follow. Mr. Samant is a good teacher. Mr. Samant is a good teacher. Here we want to emphasize on a good teacher. It is also noun phrase. It is also noun phrase. Mr. Samant is a good teacher. And here the head word, what is head word? Teacher. It is a noun. You know, head in the noun phrase, head word comes in the end of the noun phrase. So we here emphasize on good teacher. So likewise it also begins with the what. So how can we change it? What a. Here follow. What. Before the noun phrase you will have to use what. Likewise before the noun phrase you will have to use what. What a good teacher Mr. Samant is. Very simple. What a good teacher Mr. Samant is. What a good teacher Mr. Samant is, and ends with the exclamation mark. What a good teacher Mr. Samant is. Very simple. Before the noun phrase use word what. When we turn the declarative sentence into exclamative sentence, if we emphasize on the noun phrase, that must begins with what, and that should be used before the noun phrase. What a good teacher, and likewise remaining Mr. Samant is. Remaining sentence Mr. Samant is. What a good teacher Mr. Samant is. Am I clear? Follow another example. The Ramayana is a very interesting book. The Ramayana is a very interesting book. Here, the Ramayana is very interesting book. That means here we focus, we emphasize on the word interesting book, a very interesting book, and that in the end we what we get? The noun phrase. In the end we get the head noun. In the end we get the head noun. So here we emphasize on the noun phrase. As we emphasize on the noun phrase, we will have to turn this sentence into exclamative sentence by using what? By using what? So how can we turn? So follow here the noun phrase, a very interesting book, a very interesting book, and I told you, you should not use the qualifier. You should not use the qualifier in the exclamative sentence. So this word very should be omitted in the exclamative sentence. And here a interesting book you cannot say. A interesting book you cannot say. You will have to say an interesting book. An interesting book, because it is the vowel. Interesting is the word begins with the vowel sound. Yes or no? That begins with a vowel sound. So you will have to change this article a into an. So how can you change? Follow. You will have to use what? An interesting book. Very simple. Before the noun phrase we will have to use what here. What an interesting book the Ramayana is. What an interesting book the Ramayana is. Likewise. What an interesting book the Ramayana is. What an interesting book the Ramayana is, and it ends with the exclamation mark. It ends with the exclamation mark. Am I clear? I have given example how to turn the declared sentence into exclamatory if we focus on the noun phrase. Remember this thing, when we focus or when we emphasize on noun phrase, in that case that must begin with what. That must begin with what. And here the question arises, where should we use, where should we use how. Where should we use how? If in any sentence we emphasize on adjective or adverb. When we emphasize on adjective or adverb, in that case we will have to use how. And I will give the example follow. My friend runs quickly. My friend runs quickly. Here we want to emphasize on the word quickly. Here we emphasize on the word quickly. Here this word quickly is an adverb. And because this word qualifies the verb runs, how he runs? Quickly. We get the answer. How he runs? We get the answer quickly. So it is adverb. When any word qualifies the verb, they are called adverb, you know. If any words qualifies the verb, they are called adverb. So here we want to give the emphasis or we focus on word quickly. On quickly. So this word, when we turn this sentence into exclamatory sentence, it will take how. So how can we change it? Follow here, before the same rule is applied here. And here before quickly, that means before adverb use how. Here, how quickly my friend runs. How quickly remaining my friend runs. And in the end the exclamation mark. Follow here, how quickly my friend runs. Exclamation mark. How quickly my friend runs. How quickly my friend runs. And in the end there must be an exclamation mark. And here as we focus on quickly words, that is the adverb. So we use how. And follow, I will give the more example. The rose is beautiful. The rose is beautiful. Follow here. The simple sentence, the rose is beautiful. And where we focus here? Where we focus? Students, you think yourself, where we focus? And where we emphasize? Here we emphasize the word beautiful. Am I clear? We emphasize the word beautiful, and beautiful is here adjective. Here it is adjective. Adjective means because this word qualifies the noun phrase. This word qualifies the noun phrase. It is the difference between the adjective and adverb. If the word qualifies the verb, that is called adverb. And if any word qualifies the noun, that is called adjective. Here this is adjective, not adverb. The word quickly is here adverb, but here beautiful is an adjective. So how can we turn this sentence into exclamatory sentence? Simple, same rule is applied here. Follow. So here before the adjective you write down how. How beautiful the rose is. How beautiful the rose is. Am I clear? Yes or no? Follow. How beautiful the rose is. How beautiful the rose is. In the end there must be exclamation mark. In the end there must be an exclamation mark. Yes or no? How beautiful the rose is. Very simple way. We can convert the declared sentence into exclamatory within the very simple way. That first will identify what words should be focused here. What words should be emphasized there. If the word adjective or adverb is focused or emphasized, there you use how, and before that adverb or adjective you use how, then remaining sentence write down. That will turn into exclamatory sentence. One more example I will give. Follow. My friend is very handsome. My friend is very handsome. My friend is very handsome. Am I clear? And follow, I will give the gap here. Mr. John is very handsome. My friend is a very handsome boy. Write down here. Difference. My friend is a very handsome boy. Mr. John is very handsome. Mr. John is very handsome. Follow in this sentence, two sentences you follow. In the two sentence, come to the first sentence. My friend is a very, I have forgotten to write a. My friend is a very handsome boy. My friend is a very handsome boy. So here we focus on the word very handsome boy. We focus on the very handsome boy. And come to the sentence, very handsome boy. Very handsome boy. In the end it comes the noun phrase. It comes the noun phrase. So what should be used when we turn this sentence into exclamatory? Because as it is the noun phrase is there, as there is the noun phrase is there, so it must be begin with what? It must begin with what? So how can we turn? What a? What a? And I have told you this qualifier should not be used. This should not be used. So how can we change? What a handsome boy. What a handsome boy my friend is. What a handsome boy my friend is. Likewise, what a handsome boy my friend is. And to the exclamation mark. What a handsome boy my friend is. Am I clear? And come to the next sentence. Mr. John is very handsome. Mr. John is very handsome. Here the word handsome. Here the word handsome is focused. The word handsome is focused. And the follow here the handsome. This one qualifies Mr. John. This one qualifies Mr. John. Yes or no? So as this one qualifies the noun, so that is called adjective. That is called adjective. So when we turn this sentence into exclamatory sentence, in that case we will have to use how. And I have told you the qualifier should be avoided here. Yes or no, children? Qualifier. This should be avoided. How handsome, not what. How handsome Mr. John is. How handsome Mr. John is. How handsome Mr. John is. And at last there must be exclamation mark. At last there must be an exclamation mark. Follow here. These are two simple rules. When we want to focus on the noun phrase, in that case we will have to use what before the exclamatory sentence. That means when we want to turn the any simple sentence into exclamatory sentence, in that case we will have to find out which one is the focused. If the noun is focused, you will have to use what. When the adjective or adverb, these two words are focused, In that case, you have to use how. How? I have given the example. Follow. And here, a very most important things to remember. Children, I have told you when I taught you the imperative sentence or the declarative sentence, and that imperative sentence, declarative sentence, and also some extent the yes no type of interrogative sentence, they can be turned into negative. They can turn into negative. For example, I will give such as he is a teacher. He is a teacher. This is a simple sentence and it is the declarative sentence because this sentence declares a fact. This sentence declares a fact. I told you, if any sentence declares a fact or any fact giving sentence, they are called a declarative sentence, and this sentence is affirmative sentence. He is a teacher, and we can turn this sentence into negative. We can turn this sentence into negative. So how can you turn? Here is the be verb, so it will become he is not a teacher. He is not a teacher. He is not a teacher. So here declared sentence can be changed into negative. Yes or no? And likewise yes no type interrogative sentence can be turned into negative. Such as, are you a student? Are you a student? Question mark. Are you a student? It is yes no type of negative, and this sentence can be turned into negative. This is the affirmative sentence. This is affirmative sentence. Yes or no? It is interrogative, and in the we can turn this interrogative sentence into negative. In the two ways you can turn. Aren't you a student? Aren't you a student? Aren't you a student? Question mark. Negative interrogative. This is called negative interrogative. And likewise, in another way, in the some grammar books, it is also mentioned. Are you not a student? Are you not a student? In the some grammar books, it is also this type of sentence can be also this type of interrogative sentence can be turned into negative in this way. In the some grammar books, it has been written. And here the interrogative sentence can be turned into negative. Likewise, imperative sentence can be also turned into negative. Follow. Study the book. Study the book. This sentence may be an order or an advice. Study the book. And this sentence can be turned into negative. How can it turn? Don't study the book, or don't study the book. Am I clear? Don't study the book. Here I have given these examples only for this. That means all type of simple sentence can be turned into negative. But here most important point to remember that exclamatory sentence cannot be turned into negative. Remember this thing. The exclamatory sentence cannot be turned into negative. Such as, I shall show you the example. Just a minute. Such as, what a good boy you are. What a good boy you are. This is an exclamatory sentence, and this is also affirmative. And when you turn this sentence into negative, and how can you turn? Here is the helping verb, and what a good boy you are not. Follow. What a good boy you are not, you will have to turn likewise. But students, remember, it is the most important things. This sentence is ungrammatical. This sentence is ungrammatical because this is the exclamatory sentence and not this is the used here. So remember, the exclamatory sentence cannot be turned into negative. The exclamatory sentence cannot be turned into negative. It is the most important thing to remember. And dear students, today I taught you how we can convert, how we can change the exclamatory declarative sentence into exclamatory sentence, and where should we use what and where should we use how, and this thing is clear. And another things I want to the next most important things I told you, that exclamatory sentence cannot be turned into negative. And in your exam check, I am telling, you can given this type of sentence and find out the correct one or find out the right one. And if you find the exclamatory sentence is this type of written, that is the wrong one. Sometimes the children also mark this is the exclamatory sentence, but provided as not is used, that is not correct. Am I clear? So students, this is all about the simple sentence, and tomorrow or next I shall go through the compound sentence. Previously I told you the sentences are divided into broadly three categories: simple sentence, compound sentence and complex sentence. And the simple sentence has been divided in the four broad category or subdivided in the four category. One is declarative, then declarative, then you tell me, interrogative, imperative and exclamatory. These are the four categories sentence. And today I taught you all about the simple sentence, and in the next I shall teach you all about the compound sentence. And thanks for watching my video, and we shall meet once again. Thank you children. Thanks a lot.